Challenger, they're joining freight range.
316, descend now, 4,000.
South 6 West 316.
251, descend to 3,000.
3,000,
Huh? Alright, 516, traffic, 9 o'clock.
Contact Vancouver Tower, 119 or 55. 554.
No delay, crossing 8 right, traffic's 4 miles left. 6 on the 4,500. 8640, rotate, you may see a helicopter, they'll be off your right, south of your runway. Wind is 130 at 11, contact departure airborne, quick takeoff, runway 08 right. Jet 822 helicopter traffic is coming up to the radar southbound.
Pressure 7063 ground, runway 08 right, altimeter 3002,
Yankee descent 3000. Left pad Charlie advise ready. 6,000. Clear to 16, the land runway 08 right, wind 130 at 11. And 08 right 2. Billy Whiskey Tower identified, clear to point for arrival, plane over the remote landing system. At 121, descend 3,000. At 711, descend 8,000 and flat the ILS or visual. Dallas, 08 left. 217, exit to runway 1.
Full by Charlie. So something on that?
The Whiskey Tower, continue inbound, hold short, runway 08 left. For arrival, runway 08 right, permission go. Afternoon, taxi via Alpha. 121, turn left, heading 170. At this point, sir, no. Jack Tower, 118.7. 9,000. Departure left MC54, declared for 7,000, station 6. 13, cross runway 08 right, clear to land pad Charlie, wind is 120 at 10. 0 to 2,000, clear land pad Charlie, that's over Whiskey. 8 left. 5. Yankee exit, Mike 5, contact ground 12715. 9, 8 to turn, 1 down to 3,000 out of 854. Wait 69, flight heading 17. 170, Bucko 869. 86, turn left heading 170. 10. On the Fraser 6. 9, turn right at 110 at 10, contact departure airborne from the threshold, clear takeoff, runway 08 right.
At 516 bound.
16,000, WestJet 185 Hotel.
Pasco 869, further right, heading to 60.
280, Pasco 869.
Jet 185 Hotel, turn right, heading 170.
Heading 170, WestJet 185.
Runway 08 left. Tower 1187. 625 12715.
9 Mike Uniform, Farm 16000.
486. 6,000, 369 Lincoln on.
Good evening.
Clear for Delta 65.
697, I said 5,000.
5,000, Washington 6,000.
Contact Vancouver Tower, 11955. 3 miles westbound, WestJet descending.
1702, be your short delay in position for IFR spacing. And descend 2,000.
1,000 left. We're with you, Delta 8, 1.5, just 1
Taxi Mike and Julia, full short Lima. Full short, on their 1,500 feet, and they'll descend to 1,000 shortly.
Yeah, couple of looking for the traffic, I want my time 500 off nothing.
Louis 58, tower traffic you're looking for is an A340, 6 miles final at 2,000 feet. Continue inbound, point gray, arrival, hold short, runway 08 left.
7,858.
Was it 858, pass above behind the A340, caution turbulence and cross the approach for runway 08 left, hold short, runway 08 right.
River Tower 11955. Wind is 120 at 8. Traffic say heavy 57 about to start the takeoff all from 8 right.
The Juliet Kilo Victor Whole Short Hotel.
Traffic off your right, there no conflict. Contact departure airborne. Wind 110 at 8. From the threshold, clear takeoff, runway 08 right.
Clear takeoff 8 right, 6 traffic on the right, carried in 925.
5 0.
At 2393 Vancouver Tower, number 2, flying 737, 3 miles ahead. Wind 100 at 10, clear to land, runway 08 left. Center 13532.
What's your subtitle?
United 2423, contact ground 1217.
197, caution turbulence 5 and trail of the heavy 57. Speed restriction is cancelled. Contact departure airborne. Wind 110 at 10. From the threshold, clear takeoff, runway 08 right.
It was a 253, turn left to 110.
Pushback at your discretion.
Runway 13 in Lima, follow the WestJet 37. Circling runway 13.
Cross the
160 knots or less. Tower, caution, jet blast. At the threshold, line up and wait. Runway 08 right. 08 right, 6 up and 536 gate 18 with hotel, IFR Whitehorse.
Canada 557, speed 190. 190 knots, okay, 557. Dynasty 032, descend at 2000. Jet 41, Vancouver Tower, caution turbulence, 777, just touching down, wind 1008, clear to land, runway 08 left. Jet 167, contact.
Everything works. Times are good, so we'll look into it. What time were you filed out at?
1776, Vancouver departure identified 5160.
Sierra Whiskey Ground, good evening, runway 08 ready, altimeter 3002, Taxi Alpha, cross runway 31.
557 Vancouver Tower, now number 2, falling in 8350, 5.5 miles ahead. Caution turbulence, wind 1008, clear to land, runway 08 left. American Airlines 737.
Jazz 265, contact departure on the turn from Lima 4, clear for takeoff for runway 08 right.
American 2664, cross 50 at 160 knots. Normal speed approved, 1 level, turn right heading 210.
2000 normal speed, 1 level, right turn heading 210.
Roger.
Hotel Sierra Whiskey Tower, going to 110, contact departure through 1000. Clear for takeoff for runway 08 right, out next flight.
Gate looks occupied 78.
Air Canada 557, I'm showing 75 for you guys. 110. contact boundary base tower 118.
Good afternoon, John 76 with you for the visual 08 left.